Today I'm going to be reviewing G-Tech two-piece jeweler's loupe. These are 30x, 60x, and 90x. They're also illuminated. The encasing on this is aluminum out here, and I believe plastic on here. It doesn't feel substantial, so I want to be clear about that. But they are very nice, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so I said you got both of these that you get. And what's really nice is that right here, this one actually has a black light and two LED lights that are just adjustable this way. And then this one right here, also, it's a really tiny switch here. It's got a LED light there, one that's a little bit brighter. Obviously, you'd go like that. So I just wanted to show you that. Now let's see if it actually works. I've got some gems here from Arkansas, so let's see how well this actually does. All right, so here are the gems. I'm only going to use the smallest one, the 30x, on this one. It's the only way you're going to be able to see these. I have a hard time on the other one actually being able to film it, but you can see these in here, and you can get really close and actually see what these are. There's amethyst in this and citrine, nothing special, but you can kind of see how that works there. This one, you get the same thing. They're both, this actually looks a little bit easier to film with, but you can kind of see there's the jade in there, the amethyst. So really cool. The little ones are harder to see and film, but it really is cool how this is, that you get all three of those, you get the different lights. And so I'm pretty happy with this. If you just need something, you're maybe going hunting for some gems or something, or just at home to just see the jewelry that you have home, these are going to be just fine. They're not obviously probably professional grade, but for what I needed for the diamond mine, these are perfect. And overall, I'm really happy. This does really well. It gets 4.4 stars, which is the minimum I like to see. It's got 4,605 reviews, which I like. It's an Amazon overall pick. So these are a great deal. They come in black and white, so whatever you want, you have your choice there. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.